Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be solving this question which was asked in GATE 2004 for 2 marks in ADA section. The question contains a C function and asks what is the value returned by the function if the input to the function is 1. First we'll have the input to f as 1, which will return the value of n. So first we'll say f1, which will have the value of n as 1. Now it says that a static integer is initialized with I is 1. A static integer is stored in a different part of memory than the normal variables, so it is initialized with value 1. Now it says that if n is greater than or equal to 5, return n. It is 1, so we won't return. We'll go to the next statement, which says that n is equal to n plus 1, so we'll increment n to 2. Then we'll have to increment I will be incremented to also to 2, and then return fn, so it will be returned to f2 now. And now the value of n is 2. Now it says that static int I is equal to 1. Now a static integer can only be initialized once, so we'll ignore this statement. Now if n is greater than or equal to 5, return n. N is not greater than or equal to 5, so we won't return. In the next line it says n is equal to n plus 1, so we'll increment n to 3, then increment I to 3 as well, and then return fn. Now we'll return f3, so n is now 3. Now it says that again static int I is equal to 1. As we have seen before, static can only be initialized once, so we'll ignore this line. The next line says that if n is greater than or equal to 5, return n. N is not greater than or equal to 5, n is only 3, so we won't return. Then increment n to 4, and then increment I would also be incremented to 4, and then return fn. So now we'll return f4. Now again from starting, static int I is equal to 1, again ignore. If n is greater than or equal to 5, return n. No, n is only equal to 4, not equal to 5. Now increment n, so n is now incremented to 5. Also incremented I, so I will also be incremented to 5, and then return fn. So we'll now return f5. N is now equal to 5. So again we'll ignore this line of initializing static variable. Now if n is greater than or equal to 5, return n. So now we'll see that n is equal to 5, which satisfies the equation, so we'll return n. So the return value of n is 5, and the answer to this question would be A, which is 5. Thank you.